Hello friends, welcome back to our creative corner that is Indian fashion trends. In this video, we dive into the world of handmade patch designs for dress designing. Whether you're looking to upcycle an old outfit or add a unique touch to a new dress, these DIY patches ideas will inspire you. We will guide you through selecting materials, designing your patches, and sewing them into your garments. Perfect for the beginners and fashion enthusiasts. Alike, this tutorial will help you to transform your wardrobe with personalized artistic flares. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion DIY tips and tricks. These types of patches are available on many shopping portals. You can directly buy them and design your dress in a beautiful manner. I hope you like this amazing collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.